Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover Mureka AI. So what the Mureka AI is an alternative to Suno AI and Udio AI. Okay, so it's basically an AI tool for music generation. Okay, that's all what it is. We all know Suno AI, Udio AI, or if you don't, just come back to one of my previous videos, which I covered those two softwares for you guys. However, this time I just want to go and check the Mureka AI. Okay, some people say that Mureka has an, if not the same quality, some might be arguing that even better in some cases. I don't know. I'm not the here to judge if this is better or not. Because it's up to yourself. Different people have a different opinion. I'm here to show that Mureka AI is another software, and you might consider to using it. Okay. So once you go to Mureka.ai, it will automatically will help us up the studio, landing page, okay, where you can put your own lyrics if you want to do so, or you can go and do some sort of, you can create the lyrics using the AI. But before we do that, I just want to show quickly, how it all works. Okay, so basically, we got a few options. We got to create, we can store, we can library, and you got a credits. Okay, store. It's an interesting thing here because you can go and actually buy some of those songs which already been created. Okay, but let's go before we go jump into it. Okay, I just want to show you what the plan is. Okay, so for using it, okay, we can start ahead and start for free. And for free, you get a 6 credits. Basically, you can create 6 songs a day, okay, every day. All right, per credits per day. So, um, uh, you don't have to pay anything for this tool if you want to use it just for, just to do some testing, making sure like you've got an idea of some song in your head and you want to test it, how it all gonna be work out, so you can definitely do it with that tool, okay? Then you will have the basic plan for $10 with 400 credits or 400 credits 1 month, 400 songs for. So you got a 400 songs a month. Okay, ownership certificate for the song, and priority generation queue. Okay, so for this one, you will have ownership of this song. Okay, here you don't have a rights to use it. All right, you can test it, but you have to start paying at least for the basic plan to own this song. Okay, now $30 is gonna cost you for 1,600 credits a month, and everything else stays the same. And for heavy users, $288, and you're gonna get yourself 19,200 song credits. Okay, so that's plenty. That's just 19,200 songs a month. Okay, which is absolutely, a large amount of songs. Okay, but that's for the heavy users. So now let's go and see if there is anything what we can do, for example, before we start jump in and start creating. Okay, now before we do that, you just need to click continue with Google, let's say, or you can sign up with your own email. And with Google, it's only a couple of clicks, or you're already there. And as I said, like 6 songs are included every day. Okay, for testing purposes, absolutely fantastic. Okay, so now let's go, and I already logged in here. Okay, and let's go and see some of those songs. Like, let's listen to some of those songs which have been created and they are currently for sale. Okay. Okay, this is kind of the same music over and over again. I believe so. Maybe something is going to change here on this stage here, but there is no much of like lyrics attached to it.
Is there something wrong here? I think you know what I'm saying.
Okay, so we got the lyrics, we got a song coming through, and it's up to yourself. Everyone has different opinions. Somebody might like it, somebody say might not. But anyway, everything which is here, it's for you guys. You can go and buy it already. You can choose between different genres like hip hop, country, dance, electronic, everything else. Okay, so it's for you guys to go and explore. And let's see how much this is gonna cost you if you want to buy it. So let's say you choose the song, you want to purchase one. Okay, let's say somebody created a brilliant song and there's no way, you can actually recreate that song, or it'll be easier for you just to buy it, so you can go ahead and you can pay $4.90. The song is a non-exclusive license to you, okay? Others can buy commercial rights too, okay? So it's not like it's going to be only yours. Other people can also buy it, okay? Applicable to media products scenes, like TV and radio, apps, games and films, online and offline commercial performance, unlimited social channels monetized, okay? So everything, this is the terms and conditions if you purchase that for $4.90, okay? Exclusive license, however, it's going to cost you $29.90. Exclusive authorization for you to use the song, right? Applicable to, I think, the same as like here. Okay, so if you want that song only for yourself, $29.90. If you want to use that, but you need to share that song with the other users, if somebody will decide to buy it, $4.90. Okay, here you go. It's the pricing is pretty simple. Now let's go and create something. All right, so you can go and, as I said, you can put your own lyrics if you want. All right, so you can choose this song structure. Okay, you can do like intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, break, bridge, outro. Okay, write a line of the lyric. Okay, or what you can do, you can ask the AI to generate that song for you. Okay, all the lyrics will be generated for you. I think I will use the AI in this particular case, and we'll see what's happened here. Okay, here you go. Here's the song for us. It didn't take long. Okay, so we got an intro, we got a verse, we got a chorus, we got another verse, another chorus, and outro. All right, simple song. Here you go. Not even at 5 seconds, and it's already lyrics are ready for us. Now let's go and choose the style. Okay, there are so many styles available for us to choose from. All right, so many styles. You can just click and check whichever style you want to go ahead and use it for you to, to your song be very similar to. Okay, so I will leave it with you to decide one. I don't know. I just go and I do some sort of sample. Just a random choose. Okay, and now you're gonna go and create song now. Okay, and the song has been generated for us. It looks like it's gonna hold on a second. This one is 3 minutes 50 seconds, but I know that's the one which we previously put into our checkout. So this is not the length of our song. Our song is in the generation process right now. So let's wait for a minute and see what's happened. Now, I was actually waiting for my song to be finished, and it apparently did. However, I cannot find it, so that's awkward because I was going to show you. I was going to show you guys what can be achieved using this particular software, but the thing is that I can find my song, right? Okay, and I am going to library and a song for sale. No, I didn't put any songs for sale. A link, songs, no, nothing. Okay, so basically means that my song suddenly disappeared alongside with the 2 credits. All right, so there we go. Look, it might be a little glitch. It might be the reason that I just need to wait for a few more minutes, and something in a cloud is happening at the moment, and suddenly this song will appear under my profile just like that. Okay, I'm not saying that it's not the case. I'm just saying, guys, that I'm not gonna wait longer. Okay, I will leave it with you to decide if you want to go ahead and test this tool for yourself. If you did so, and you have any sort of feedback regarding this, please leave it below inside the description of this video. I would be much appreciated for any comments. Also, I want to thank you very much for watching, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.